Always something. Old car problems. Skag's Garage. Okay, so you got a 47-year-old car, 79 Continental. Your master window switch goes out, and you're just like, okay, where the heck am I gonna get a switch for my car? You can go on eBay and look for old parts, original old parts. That switch, that master switch, was made all the way up to the 1990s in the Continental. So you know what? I'm not paying a whole bunch of money. I went to Amazon and got a $35 switch. So we're gonna see if that switch works, because my master switch don't work. I was out doing a gig, went to roll the window down. Anyway, Amazon. We're gonna put this in. Open this up. See what it looks like. Look at. Come over here. As my late granny used to say, it looks just like itself. So we're gonna put that in. You know, the only thing we need is a Phillips screwdriver and some patience. Yeah. All right, let's move that out of the way. Yours might be silver, but I opted for a black screw. Okay. Grab your pry tool. Look at that. Slide it out. Wiggle it up. And we have screws here and here. Let's see if I can, if I could roll the window down, you could see. Grab me a short screwdriver. There we go. You ready for this? Ford, the switch doctor. Moment of truth. Yep. And it just goes back together. You know my old saying, installation is a reversal of the uninstallation. Give me a second to put us all back together and I'll tell you where I found it. Oh, I also have a buddy of mine that's in our Lincoln Club that makes these vinyl overlays. So if you're looking for the wood grain, he's on eBay. I'll put a link for that in the description, and I'll put a link for that switch. And that concludes the lesson for today. Skag's Garage. See you on the next one.